a bittersweet day as we are on our last installment of Iris Week. It has been so fun sharing my other three irises, including the mustard yellow short sleeve pleated sleeve tee, my gray rib knit swing dress with the 3/4 length pleated sleeve, and my tie front teal tee. Those are hard to say. Be sure to check out those other videos, especially the mustard tee one, because I go into a lot of detail about the base pattern in that one. If you don't know a lot about the iris, it is a great little basic t-shirt, knit t-shirt pattern, 4 different sleeve options, classic crew neckline, just a really great base to create a lot of different looks from, which is what inspired this series. But you can find the links to those other videos in the description box. But enough about all that. Today I have my favorite of all the irises I made this week. This is my elastic waist iris dress. Ah, isn't she so cute? You guys had to know I would put a fit then flare dress in the mix, right? I mean, they're my absolute favorite, so of course I would include one in this series. In addition to the elastic waist, I also converted the classic crew neckline to a V neckline. And I made the pleated short sleeve again because I just love that design so much. For the V-neck hack, I again took to my favorite hack resource, Seamwork Magazine. They have a great article on drafting your own V-neck line that was really easy to follow and very detailed. For the waistband, I kind of just winged it. Here's sort of the rundown. I first chopped off the hem of the tee at the waistline, and then I added 2.5 inches to that, and that became my new bodice. For the skirt, I found a big 4 pattern that had the shape of the skirt I liked. I removed the seam allowance from the waistband of that pattern piece, and then again added 2.5 inches to that waistline as well. I sewed the bodice to the skirt at that 2.5 inch seam allowance, and then pressed the seam allowances up and top stitched 1/4 inch below the raw edge on the inside of the garment. And then I just inserted my super wide 2-inch elastic. You'll notice that the elastic of my dress, the actual casing, sits more at my rib cage. That's because I turned the casing up. If you turned the casing down, it would sit more at your natural waist. But I wanted something higher since that's more comfortable for me to wear right now. For the fabric, I used another cotton and lycra jersey blend. Just like the teal fabric from yesterday, it has 96% cotton and 4% lycra. However, this one weighs 5.5 ounces, making it more of a light, mid-weight jersey. It also has 40% 4-way stretch. It's sort of the Goldilocks between the charcoal rib knit that I used for the swing dress and the lightweight, smoother knit I used from the teal tee. This fabric that I used for this dress comes in 11 different colors, including the one called olive that I used for this one. As for styling, I paired my dress with some simple gold earrings, a leather and gold bracelet, and some leopard print flats that I got at Walmart. So what do you think? I literally wouldn't make any changes to this dress. It's so comfy and still super stylish with the extra wide waistband and pleated sleeve detail. I cannot wait to transition it into fall with some boots and different layering pieces. And I know we're all sad, but this does mark the end of Iris Week. I'd love to know your favorite version of the garments that I made this week, and I can't wait to see how this has inspired you guys with this pattern. I'd love to see your own Iris hacks. Be sure to tag me with your version so I can see. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!